TaxDome Windows App. TaxDome's Windows app puts your entire client file system right on your desktop, so you can work with documents the same way you always have without ever leaving your computer. Once the app is installed, TaxDome Drive appears in File Explorer just like any other folder on your computer. Browse to any client, open files directly, make edits, and everything syncs back to TaxDome automatically. No manual uploads, no version confusion. You can also upload files directly through the app itself. Select one or more files, pick the client account and destination folder, and they're uploaded in seconds. The app shows you the status of every file as it goes, and if something fails, you'll see it clearly so nothing slips through. Or just drag files straight into TaxDome Drive in File Explorer. It's the fastest way to move a batch of documents. Scan to a local folder first, then drag the whole thing in. The app also installs TaxDome Printer, so you can send documents from any Windows application, your tax software, Word, Excel, anything, straight to a client's TaxDome folder. Just print, select TaxDome as the printer, choose the client, and it's there. Once a file is uploaded through the app, you can take action on it right there. Rename it, delete it, notify the client, or kick off a more advanced workflow like requesting an e-signature or linking to a job, which opens directly in your browser. Install the Windows app, sign in with your TaxDome credentials, and your client files are right there, exactly where you expect them.